Welcome to New Orleans Way of Life. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're doing the 100 beaded bracelet challenge, and this is number 6. Today we're going to do a bracelet with 12 millimeter dark turquoise blue crackle beads and some howlite chips, turquoise chips, and a yellow jade from off of Amazon. So we'll start with one of the focal beads. Oops. That's where we'll be hiding our knot from the stretch string. This bracelet takes me back when my father used to take me back to different auctions and the like, and we attended the first of many Native American artifact and jewelry auctions that came to our area. I convinced him at that first one to buy a bunch of jewelry for my mother. And in turn, I ended up getting a couple pieces myself, including I had for the longest time it had a bear paw design to it with a piece of I believe it was Bisbee turquoise as the pad of the bear paw. I had that from the age of 13 until, just like 8 or 9 years ago. I miss the ring. It was constantly on my finger through the years. Unfortunately, I lost it in a storage facility. I've always loved turquoise, Native American pottery, sculptures, kachinas, arrowheads, and other artifacts, and just overall artwork. I've been a big admirer through the years. Just amazing artists out there. And my oldest brother has become a big art collector of Native American sculptures and paintings, him and his wife. I think it's more his wife than him, but I mean, I'm just really excited that he's found an interest like that in his later years. He just recently turned 75. Oh my goodness. To think about it. Um, he used to be my defender growing when I was a child. Because our middle brother used to pick on me all the time. And when my oldest brother was around, he would hold our brother down to let me wail on him like he had been wailing on me. So okay. There's our bracelet. So there's our beads on stretch string. Go ahead. Cut that. And hopefully Mm. Yeah, I wish there was a tool that can tie this without so much struggle. All right. And already. Thank you for joining me today on the number 6 challenge of 100 beaded bracelet challenge. Be safe and you have a great year. Stay tuned for Lane. If you like our videos, hit the like button, and if you want to see future videos, hit the subscribe button. Thank you and welcome to New Orleans Way of Life.